Guys, so this is the way we're doing it. Scale this out to 3 1/4. Okay, let's make one without the optional stop and see how long it takes. I turned optional stop back on because that bird's nest right there. I'll turn it back off after we finish this.